Good morning. It is 10 till 5 in the morning. I have a problem. I don't know why on days I know that we're going camping, I wake up so early. Well, I know why, because I get excited because I love camping. And I'm like, I want to go right now, but I still don't like it. Right there, starting to get everything together. And I want to edit this video and get that up today before we go. So I'm going to try and drink this coffee to wake myself up. I hope that I'm not in bed by 8 o'clock because I know Chris hates that. But I have been sleeping so good lately. But if there's something that I know I have to do, I'm always up early. Time for coffee. You need to make faster, homie. Come on. I feel so accomplished. I got my video up. It is live and it's on graphic liner. First time I've ever tried it. Don't judge me. Got everything packed. I'm ready to go. Waiting on Chris to get back from the store and bring back some Chick-fil-A. Catching up on some Housewives of Atlanta. Boom. On Hulu. I don't know anything going on in the new season, which sucks. Where's my food? Where's my Chick-fil-A? Where's my Chick-fil-A? Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A.
All right, I gotta stop. Oh, yeah. We're finally here. The campsite that we originally had is actually over that way. Let me, I can see it. Yeah, number 63. That was our campsite, but apparently there was a tree that was on it, so they had to move our campsite to here, which is fine. This place was packed when we booked it, so we didn't think we would be able to get a new campsite, but somehow they got us a new campsite. And we extended our stay till Monday, Memorial Day. So we are here Friday to Monday. We are finally all set up, and now it's time to relax and chill and enjoy our first time out, second time out. Well, the first time was before the pandemic started, back in March. So this is technically our first time since the pandemic and quarantine and all that, that we are actually out doing something. And we're gonna enjoy the out of ourselves. So the lake is actually pretty flooded because it's rained here. I swear to God, it's rained the past 5 days. So
it's got watersheds that feed into it, which is why it's got watersheds that feed into it, which is why it's so flooded.
So why it's so flooded?
Yeah, because you got like creeks and stuff that run into it, watersheds, so it raises.
So we brought our kayaks to see if maybe we'll be able to kayak on it, but we don't know yet. I did see somebody out there, so I'm hoping that we'll get out there and do it. Maybe not today, but tomorrow for sure. So I think we'll go do it. They just told us they can't really stop us if we're out there. So I'm assuming we'll just be on our own if something happens. And what's funny, Chris's kayak actually has a hole in it, and he used some type of gorilla duct tape to plug the hole. So hopefully his kayak won't flood. But secretly, it would be really funny if it did.
Sure, brother.
Oh my god, that tastes so good. What are you doing, my bag? So you think we could put our kayaks right here and go?
Yeah, that's what I'm planning on doing.
That's crazy. This is a road. All of this is a road. Not that, but all of this. All flooded. Oh!
It's a new pole.
Go catch a tree.
Wax worm's gone.
What happened to your worm? Did a tree eat
Pretty
it?
sure it was on video. Don't taunt me.
Getting dinner ready here. We got some peeled and veined shrimp with the tail off, potatoes, onion and peppers, and also corn. I forgot my corn. Hold on, let me get my corn. With some corn, putting it in foil, and then popping it on the grill. It's 4:51 in the morning. What am I doing? Coffee, 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 I hope you can hear me because Chris is still sleeping. But the perks about being with a deaf guy is that he can't hear me. I've had one Red Bull since my kidney stones, maybe two. So it's been like 8 months. And I'm about to enjoy some this weekend. I'm curious to know if anybody else likes to put their coffee in the microwave after they pour it to get it extra super hot so that basically it bites back. Is it just me? I don't know. I love my coffee and my food piping hot, like burning me. Is that weird? That's weird, right? Now I'm ready for the day. Got my America shirt on and time to make some breakfast. Boom. Chris's kayak is starting to sink, so he's had a hole in his kayak for I think like a couple of years now. So we're back by the little ramp at the campsite because if he starts sinking faster, we have to get back. It is hot as balls out here. This life jacket is not helping. Trying to chug a bunch of water because I know I'm going to be drinking later, but it's going to get up to like, I think almost 90 today. Someone said it wasn't going to rain. I said, babe, it's going to rain between 4 and 5. He's like, it's not going to rain. It's going to rain.
Not gonna rain.
So I moved everything underneath the awning. He still was convinced it wasn't going to rain, and then all this is happening. Babe, it's raining.
I mean, I originally said it was gonna rain.
Oh,
and then I
please.
recanted and said it's not gonna rain. And here we are. Good thing my original intuition was right. Them's here.
Next stop, Chi-Town, little bit money town, let it roll. He said one more time on it.
That was so funny. Oh! Good morning. It's about 8:30, almost 8:40, and we're about to go walk up in the main part of the park before it gets too crowded or too hot, because it's going to get up to almost 90 degrees today. I'm slathered in sunscreen. Not my legs yet. I haven't put my shorts on yet, obviously, but that's going to happen today, and I'm going to be blinding people with the color of my skin and how pale I am. But I'm Irish, you know? Ready?
Yeah.
Here's your coffee. Bye, boys. You shake for everything.
No fighting.
Huh?
No fighting.
Yeah. They got in 2 fights this morning. It probably woke up the whole campground because that old man is such an asshole. All right, let's go. We just got here. This is usually where you fish, and it's all flooded. I mean, I'm not surprised with how much rain we've had, but oh my gosh, this is crazy. That is all flooded, and that's where you walk. One of the places you can walk and where you fish. I'm cooking dinner, and these are meatless little burritos, but I'm eating beef jerky.
Vegetarian dinner.
Yeah. Vegetarian dinner, but I had to eat beef or meat of some sort. That is from the beans. I just smashed some beans, and this is what it did, which is really weird. It's cool, but it's like really weird. That's what happens on the griddle with smashed beans.